So hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's video, I will show you how to add a new header text in the purchase order. So this method works both in SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA. So let's get started. So first I will open ME21 screen, ME21N, which is create purchase order, and I'll show you the texts. So let's say we have this multiple text order, header text, header note, pricing types, deadlines, terms of payment, warranties, etc. Now business want to add some additional fields in this. So to in this video we'll check how to add additional fields in header text. So for that we have a T code called SC75. So I will quickly open SC75 slash OSC75. Yeah. So here we have this text objects and IDs, graphical objects and IDs, standard symbols, etc. So we'll go to text objects and ID. So this transaction is used to create new text IDs for SAP script text objects. So it will show you warning that these settings are valid in all clients. That is, if we change anything, it will be valid for all the clients. So now this is the text ID screen over here. So all the IDs, so like all the objects will be visible in this. So as we all know that the table to store purchase order details is EKQ and EKPO. So EKKU is for header and EKPO is for item. Now EKKO, maybe I have to click here. EKKO, yeah. So this is the EKKO purchase document header text. So I'll double click on this. So here I will go to change mode. Sorry, here I will double click on EKKO. Yeah, now you can, as you can see, here are multiple text over here. So what I will do, I will just click on create. Let's say I will create F24 and the business wants payment hold details. So this is the header text use business wants to add. Okay, F24 is already exist. So I'll just click on F25. Yeah, and as you can see, it has been said. Now I'll just click on Control S. It will show you like observe names, ranges, YZ for customer, JNC for partners, and A to X for SAP. So just click on create. You click on save, and then as you can see, workbench request will be generated in this because this is a repository object due to which workbench request will be generated. So this is my TR only, so I'll save in this. Click on enter, and now I will show you in PO whether the text is visible or not. So I'll quickly scroll. What was the text which we have generated is F25. Yeah, so here you can see F25 payment hold details. So it should be visible now in the text option. So I'll scroll to the last, and you can see payment hold details is visible in this header text. So in this way, using the T code SE75, we can add the multiple header text which the business want as per the business needs. Similarly, we have the same for PR also. So if I show you slash n ME21N, so this is the text currently for the PR header note. So I'll quickly go back from here. Here I will search the table for PR is. Do comment below what is the table for PR. So the table is EBAN. Yeah, so if you can see the purchase requisition text and purchase requisition header text. So we need to change the header. So I'll click on this second option. So if you want to make any changes in text, like item text, you can select this option. Now I want to make the changes in header table. I will double click on EBAN H. So as you can see, only one text is available here. I'll click on create. Let's say B02 department. So if the use business want to check add the text which department has raised this, so they have asked you to add one more the PR text which is department. So you just add in SC75 and click on save. Save. Yes. And the changes were done. Now I will go back once to refresh the page ME51N, and if you will scroll down you can see the department field is added in this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad for more such SAP videos. So thank you for watching.